Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product, and it's this Think Green, Act Green Smart Thermostat. It's Wi-Fi programmable digital thermostat for your home heat pump and its energy savings, and check that out. It's got a cute little smiley face right there. Go ahead and pull that open. You have cool instructions, which I definitely know that I'm going to need because there's a lot of different connections related to, right there. Do you have a warm air, hot water, heat efficiency furnaces, heat pumps, heat only, heat and cool only type. So you've got to figure out which one that you have, and then you got to select the correct wire. So the reason why I know that is because I've actually done a couple thermostats before. So again, they give you a warning here, right? I'm pretty sure this is going to tell you, yep. You have the normal connections and certain types of connections where there's no C wire or there's C wire. Again, if you're dealing with a heat pump or a furnace. So you got to look at those instructions. I'm telling you from experience. I already know that. So what do we have that's in the box? Let's go ahead and pull most of this stuff out, see if we see anything. A qualified certificate. It was passed by number 10. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I know what this is. This is pretty cool, or handy, to be honest. These are stickers. You're gonna need these stickers to stick to your cables and the wires, so you know which one goes where, because when you're gonna do is you're gonna go check what you have, separate them, put these stickers, and you'll see it says RC to RC, and what you're gonna do is wrap it around, and then you'll just have a little wing sticking off your wire that says, you know, as an example, let's use this extra piece here that we're not gonna use. You'll stick it around like so, around the wire, and then you'll just have this wing that'll say what it is, and it's pretty cool. Works out cool. All right, you have fresh mounting for being able to screw these into the wall, and you've got your anchors in here so that you can put those into the wall. You get some more set screws, and you got longer screws here, probably based on what kind of system you have. But without any further ado, you are going to have this guy right here. Okay, this is the thermostat. Okay, and then there's a connection here where you can snap these in and lock it into place. You do have an opening back here. This is going to be where most of your wire connection is. This is locked off by a set of screws, so most of the function is in the back side here. So now you got to actually read the instructions on how do you get inside of this. There we go. That needs to snap back into place. I don't know why it was out. And then you have this peel off where you can get into, and I'm pretty sure, I wonder if it's touch capacitive style. There you go. Okay. You'll then take this guy here and then lock it in and twist and lock it, and there you go. It's good to go. Cool. The only thing I have left to do is go ahead and replace one of my thermostats, put this guy in place. All right, let's go ahead and check that out. Very cool thing that this thermostat has, and let's talk about it. We're gonna install this guy right there, okay? Well, what's really cool is they have this here, which you can wrap around the labels, or the wires, the labels around the wires that are on here, so you can recall where all the wires go. So we're gonna try and give that a shot, okay? So first, let's take this bad boy off. And what we're gonna do is expose the wires by pulling down on this guy right here. And then what I'm going to do, just in case I probably might make a mistake here, I'm going to make sure that I take a picture of all the wires because I wanna make sure that I'm not missing anything. All right, time to move forward. R wire, let's go ahead and grab us an R wire tag. This is very interesting. So here's the example of what we're going to do. Okay, most of these wires. Okay guys, here's the cool thing. You're gonna see this thing spark before me. I'm about to go turn on the breaker. Furnace 2? Whoa, well, it's working, okay. I mean, that's really nice. Okay, so let's learn how to turn this thing on. We are now going to break open this set of instructions to show me what I need to do about setting it up. And then of course, there is the app. This guy here, Smart Life, Smart Living by Volcano Technology Limited. We'll get to that here in a minute. Okay, so we got that flashing. All right, and they said come up here to the top corner, hit plus, add device, and there it is. Discovering devices. Add that device. You can see there, we're going at it. We are connected. Pump thermostat, we are done. And check it out, it is set. The current temperature is 80 degrees. It is set to 84. It is permanent hold on cool. And let's see, that's what this guy is saying too, right? It's permanently held on cool. Heat off, auto. So it just saw me check, yep, and then it just switched over to permanent hold off on this screen. Nice, very, very cool. So we set the temperature. We're gonna go ahead and, oh yeah, decrease to 83. Current temperature is 80 degrees. We've set it to 84. Fan is set to auto. It does say that we're connected via Wi-Fi here. We our permanent hold or auto. See, yeah, the screen now reflects because it communicates back to that device and says that it's holding on 84. Now I'm going to drop it to 83. That screen should switch over to say I'm doing the set temperature to 83, and then this will drop. Yep, see, it just switched. And then this guy should change after it's received a signal back from the thermostat saying, yes, I confirm that I have dropped to 83 for my set point. And hopefully here in a second, it will return that signal. Oh, there it is. Sorry, 83 degrees. There we go. So I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time. And while that's still running, I'm out.